Welcome friends. Today let us discuss a classic puzzle, and this puzzle is about a basketball. The question goes like this: if a basketball weighs 10 ounces plus half its own weight, how much does it weigh? This kind of questions you will find many on the similar line. So once you do one, you can handle all. So this is why I decided to take up one as an example for you. We have here is there is a basketball. The weight of the basketball is, as per the question, 10 ounces plus half of its own weight. Its own means basketball. So the weight of the basketball is 10 ounce plus half of its own weight. Its own means basketball weight. So if we get into equations and all, then it will be trickier. So you always try to visualize what the situation looks like. That way it will become easier for you to answer the question. Imagine we have a 10 ounce is a weight. I go grab a 10 ounce weight and I go grab a weighing scale. Here I have put a weighing scale. If the weight here and here is same, it will balance, and I will read 0 here, right? So this is it. So I have a weighing scale. I put 10 ounce here, 10 ounces. Here I put the basketball. Will it balance? It will not balance, because the question says 10 ounces plus something more is the weight of this basketball. What is needed is half of its own weight. Half of its own weight means I must go grab half a basketball somewhere. So I put half a basketball here, then it will balance, and here it will be 0. Balance. Job done. Okay. The key here is don't get threatened by the word questions. All my effort here is to introduce to you the word questions early on. Because in grade 2 and grade 3, the kind of word questions you face are very, very easy kind of questions, and then all of a sudden in grade 4, grade 5, you are bombarded with very terrible questions. So we will go to higher grades much prepared. We would be handling much higher grade questions right now. What is the problem? Word questions are very easy. Treat them like a fairy tale, like a story that you have to understand. That's all, nothing else. So you see, 10 ounce and half the football, half the basketball I have kept here. Now then it will be balanced, right? Here I have put the whole basketball, and now let us see if it satisfied the questions phrasing. Questions phrasing is 10 ounces plus half of its own weight. Its weight, whatever it is, half of its own weight here. Now it will balance. Okay, it will balance. Job done. Now what we do? This is half. If in a pan, in a balance, I take equal weight from here, it will still be balanced. The equal sign, what is the meaning of equal sign? On the left part and on the right part, both the quantities are same. This is the meaning of this. So if you take away something from here, you have to take away something from here, same amount. If you double it, you also have to double it. If you make it 3 times, this also you have to make it 3 times, and still it will be balanced. This is why the equal sign. Now you see half here, half of the basketball is sitting here. See, we don't have basketball here. We don't have 10 ounce weight here, but still we are playing with it. This is the beauty of mathematics. We are imagining everything in our head, and we are doing this. So imagine we have this half basketball, we take it out half basketball from here, so I have to take half also from here. So we take half of the basketball from here. So what remains is half the basketball on your right, half basketball. I understand half basketball is of no use to anybody, but in mathematics we can play like that. Now you see, very simple, half basketball is equal to 10 ounces. The question revealed the answer to you and presented it to you on a plate. The answer is in front of you. 10 ounces is half basketball. Now you can easily say, when 10 ounces is half basketball, 20 ounces is full basketball. Simple. Double it, double here, then double here. 20 ounces is full basketball. Now we go back here and fit our answer here. Does it satisfy the question's conditions? Basketball weight, what we said, 20 ounce. Now here question says 10 ounce plus half of its own weight. What we say, our basketball weight is 20 ounce. What is half of it? 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So our answer is correct. So this is how the fractions work. When you deal with fractions, visualize it. When you visualize, many a times it works out. It helps you in finding the question. This is one question that we have handled.